Next up, Bounty Hunter Tier 3. For this, all we need to do is complete a big bounty contract for a Mangler, Disciple, and Mimic. That's it. How exactly do we do this? Well, we need to find ourselves an HVT mission or eliminate the bounty. All we need to do is head across to it, and it'll take us around to a special zombie / boss zombie. Those are the things that we need to kill. You'll always find one of these 3 types of special zombies when you're doing these HVT missions, so it's just kind of chance. You could do this in 3 missions, you could do this in 30. It just depends if you find all 3 of these unique special zombies in one go. Anyways, so for now, all we need to do is head across to this area and hopefully stack up on not only ammo, but if you have a pack-a-punched weapon, this is going to be a lot easier. Otherwise, you'll need to do quite a bit of running around, activating the mission, and heading around to the actual HVT. All we need to do now is approach it, approaching the building, and baiting this thing out from wherever it may be. There it is. I don't think he's coming down, so we'll have to go up to him and probably take him outside. Grabbing insta-kill will help with these zombies, but it won't really help with the HVT. Eventually, we'll take it down, and now we've completed the first part of this mission here, as this was a Mangler. All we need to do now is activate at least 2 more HVT missions and kill at least 2 more HVTs. Hopefully, we'll be able to get rid of it properly. So, we'll go ahead, zoom out, and mark another one, travel across to it, and activate it. So let's pick this thing up and head across, where we can yet again get this one. Unfortunately, is still just a glove, so we're not actually going to make any progress, but we may as well finish it, take some cash, and hopefully pack up our weapon. This will help us do these missions faster. And there we go. Unfortunately, we didn't make any progress, as this was the same one that we just killed, so we'll need to head across to another one and hope we get something different. Marking the next closest one in a tier 1 area, and we can get rid of this one as well. At this point, we have ourselves enough cash to pack a punch this weapon at least once, so I think we'll stop by there before we get to the HVT. This will make things just that much faster. Pack a punching to level 1. This one is a Mimic, so we'll head across to the gunner seat and get rid of it from afar. This should be a lot easier. We're doing some good damage from the boat here, and they can't actually reach us. Half HP, and almost dead. There we go. We've now completed the second target on this mission, or third rather, a Mimic. Picking up another one. Hopefully this one is a Disciple, and no, it is not, but we can still get rid of it anyways. Poof, there we go, super easy. Now that we have a pack-a-punch weapon, on to the next one. Should hopefully be a Disciple, but I think they may only spawn in the tier 2 area plus. We'll see. So we'll have a look here, and this one is invisible. Ah, no, it's just a Mimic. This one I think we'll do in a tier 2 zone, as I think these Disciples only spawn in tier 2 plus. I don't really know. Anyways, there is a Disciple here boosting their mind. Picking this one up. There's a Disciple over here, but it's unfortunately not what we need. We'll have a look here, and hopefully this is a Disciple. Oh my luck, it's probably not. Heading upstairs. No, it's just another Mimic. Oh well, we can go ahead and pack a punch our weapon to tier 2, just like that. Now we should be able to do these tier 2 HVTs a lot easier. This one is hopefully a Disciple. I don't see any supercharged zombies though. Nope, it's just another Mangler. Oh well, getting rid of this one. And here, what kind of HVT we have? Just another Mimic. Well, let's quickly get rid of this and go to the next one. Oh, okay. Well, I didn't actually shoot this thing. It just fell over and died, which is good, I suppose. We finished the mission. That was a Disciple, and I didn't hit it once. I have no idea what killed it, but it just fell over, and that's that. Cool, I suppose. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. I have no idea what happened there. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.